Uh, so hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I just thought to let you know that I'm live. Guys, I was on vacation for 1 week and I just got back like one day ago, something like that. Like in vacation, it wasn't even vacation, so many problems. I just wanted to let you know guys like how I've been doing, and I've been starting to upload daily from today. And tomorrow I have a product research video coming up because many of you guys requested. But basically I got another store to about 140k, $140,000 in just 27 days. But that store had a Facebook problem, I don't know, 1 day ago, so I'm trying to fix that. And just guys, like most of the problems has been from Facebook. Like when I came to e-commerce, like something like that, I didn't know like the Facebook going to be a big problem. Is finding a product, advertising it, but fucking Facebook, man, just says keep throwing things at you. I have ordered an ad from ad company, ad media company. Like I'm going to start TikTok ads and make a tutorial video how to do TikTok ads. I have been spending on TikTok, and it's kind of good. Cost per purchase is low, CPMs are very low, and I will make a video about that as well. But yeah, guys, basically been it. Like my first store, I took it to 200k. That had a Facebook problem, and that is been online for a week now. I've been warming up the page and stuff. It's that is a pain in the ass as well. But with another store that I did, that store we did it like 140k or something like that. And yeah, Facebook stop, and that's go. I'm going to get that up as well. It's just keep coming and coming, guys. Just you know, doing the best I can here, and I've been uploading daily from today. I just had to like take care of anything, and at the moment it's 3 a.m. in here, so I've been working till 3 a.m. guys. And yeah, so that's it. And from tomorrow I will upload a new video, product research video. And please guys, comment down below if you have any question for me, if you want me to make any new video for you. Okay, peace.